Imagine discovering a human body, not bones, not dust, but skin, a face, even hair, perfectly preserved after thousands of years. This is not fiction. These people existed. For most of human history, one thing has always been certain. Time destroys everything. Empires collapse, cities turn into ruins, and the human body returns to dust. That is the natural order. But in rare places on Earth, something very different happened. Time didn't destroy. It stopped. High in the mountains, where oxygen is thin and temperatures never rise, explorers began to find something disturbing. Bodies, not skeletons, but people. Faces still visible, clothes still intact, as if they had died yesterday. One of the most famous discoveries was a man found deep in the ice. His body was over 5,000 years old, yet his skin, his hands, even the expression on his face, remained. Scientists realized something shocking. He hadn't been preserved by humans, but by nature itself. What makes these discoveries even more powerful is not just how they look, but how they died. Many of them didn't expect it. Some collapsed during storms, others were caught in avalanches, their final moments frozen forever. One man still had tools in his hand, another still carried food. It's as if time stopped in the middle of their lives. But the mountains are not the only place where time stands still. Deep in the wetlands of northern Europe, something even stranger was found. Bodies buried in dark peat bogs, preserved for thousands of years. Their skin turned dark, almost leather-like, but their faces, still human. Some looked like they were sleeping. Others looked like they were in pain. Scientists discovered marks on their bodies, rope around the neck, injuries. These were not natural deaths. Many of them were sacrifices. Thousands of years ago, ancient people believed that wetlands were sacred places, a gateway between worlds. They offered gifts to the gods, and sometimes those gifts were human. These bodies are not just preserved remains. They are evidence of forgotten rituals, of beliefs we barely understand today. But how is this even possible? Why didn't these bodies decay? The answer lies in extreme conditions. In ice, the cold stops bacteria completely. In bogs, the water lacks oxygen and contains natural chemicals that preserve tissue. Nature created its own form of preservation, long before humans ever tried. Even today, new discoveries are still being made. As glaciers melt, more bodies appear, hidden for centuries, now revealed. Each one telling a story, a life interrupted, a moment frozen forever. These people are not just historical finds. They are reminders that time does not always erase. Sometimes it preserves every detail, every moment, waiting to be discovered again. These bodies didn't just survive time, they defeated it. While entire civilizations vanished, they remained silent, still, waiting beneath ice and earth for someone to find them and maybe to remember them.